Welcome back, fellow savers. Today, I'm here to share with you 10 incredible ways to multiply your savings with time. If you're ready to take your financial future to the next level, then stick around because we're about to dive deep into some money-saving secrets that will change your life forever. Way 1. Power of budgeting. By creating and sticking to a budget, you'll gain full control over your finances. Track your income, prioritize your expenses, and identify areas where you can make cutbacks. Trust me, every penny counts. Way 2. Different investment options. Next, let's talk about investments. Instead of letting your hard-earned money sit idly in a bank account, consider different investment opportunities. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even a small business venture, investments have the potential to grow exponentially over time. Way 3. Emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and to protect your savings, you need to expect the unexpected. Create an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. By doing so, you'll be prepared for any unforeseen situations without jeopardizing your long-term financial goals. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Negotiating deals. Negotiation is an art worth mastering. Whether you're haggling for a lower price on a car or negotiating your salary, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Practice your negotiation skills and watch your savings grow. Way 5. Coupons and online deals. Who doesn't love a good discount? Take advantage of coupons, online deals, and cashback offers to stretch your dollar further. Websites and apps dedicated to finding the best discounts are just a few clicks away. Way 6. Save, save, and save. Saving, even in small increments, adds up over time. Challenge yourself to save a specific percentage of your income consistently. Treat your savings account like a virtual piggy bank that's only to be touched when absolutely necessary. You'll be surprised at how quickly it accumulates. Way 7. Using credit card responsibly. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword, but if used responsibly, they can benefit your savings journey. Select a credit card that offers rewards, cashback, or travel points while maintaining a disciplined approach to paying your bills in full each month. Way 8. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and financial education is no exception. Utilize online courses, books, or workshops that can help you sharpen your financial skills. By staying informed, you'll be better equipped to make sound financial decisions and maximize your savings potential. Way 9. Retirement planning. Retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning for it. Investigate retirement plans such as 401(k)s or IRAs and take full advantage of employer matching contributions. The earlier you start, the more time your savings have to grow. Way 10. Seek professional help. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and advice tailored to your specific financial goals. By working with an expert, you can gain peace of mind knowing your savings are in capable hands. There you have it, my fellow savers, 10 powerful ways to multiply your savings with time. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these strategies and secure your financial future. So let's take action today and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Keep saving, keep growing, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks from our channel.